Happy Rainy Day, read by GZ. We are now going to read it. Happy Rainy Day. On a yum date, June 19th, 2014, in Zia's daughter was enjoying the nutrients she was getting from the happy rain, and there was a yum date outside the house. They were being very happy. I am sorry for the background noises. They were very happy together, and they were sweet. It was sweet as danced around. Was so happy, jumping in the rain puddles as the ball dropped down from the moon as the vitamin was taken. On the way to the supermarket. Another happy rainy date occurred when the baby just woke up from a recent nap. This happened June 19th. This happened about June 25th, 2014, and this is what we see. So yeah. So Happy Rain was cast on. Happy Rain is considered to be Anmum Materna that you find in the stores. The first storable rain. End of Happy Rainy Day. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this reading. If you don't know what Anmum Materna is, you should look it up and you'll find it. If you like this video, please click subscribe. Bye-bye.
What if could we tie him?